All I feel movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my ad-lib. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. One grandma got fans and they love me. One grandma got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wonder why they see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaire Joy here. Welcome if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to the gang. As you guys seen from that title, today's video is sponsored by Ebin. As you guys seen from the title, you guys have probably seen this product like in my previous videos because I definitely used the edge control already and I used their wax stick. But they were so sweet and they sent me over a bunch of products to try. So let me go ahead and show you. First, we have this really beautiful box. I love the black and gold detailing. It's just so beautiful. I'm really appreciative of the nice packaging, period. We love a good packaging over here. So these are all the items that you get. And look, the scrunchy paper matches the box, period. So let me show you guys first. We have their 24-hour edge tamer, which like I said, I already use their edge tamer all the time. It's the only one that works for me. This scent is the kiwi pineapple. This is what it looks like on the inside, just clear. I actually use this whenever I do my breakdown. It smells really good too. It smells like candy. It smells really good. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's the extra firm hold. It's 2.7 fluid ounces, just for reference. Then they were kind enough to send over 3 of their lace tints, and these are in the color darkest brown, which I've already been using their lace tint too. So if you see my videos, you know I use a lace tint. Hello, because our dark skinned baddies out here gotta have that lace tinted, period. Wonder Lace Bond. They were kind enough to send over 2. So the gold one is the one I'll be using today and I've been using, and this one is the extreme firm hold, and it's also sensitive. Don't mind my chip nail polish, but it's the sensitive version. I am so appreciative. I'm so appreciative that a company cares about skincare, although we want our hair laid, period. We need that sensitive. We need that sensitive. And then this one right here is Supreme. So the last one I showed you was extreme firm hold. This one is Supreme, so you know it's gonna have that thing tight, not going nowhere, period. And yeah, I love this. I actually love both of them, but I really been rocking the sensitive one just because my face already been breaking out, so don't need it to break out. But yes, thank you so much, Ebin, for sending over these wonderful products, and I hope you guys enjoy this install on this hair. So let's hop on into the video. Oh, quick side note, use my code Zaire10 for money off your order. So make sure you guys shop. I love their products, like I said, which you'll already see in the video. I love their wax stick. This is a small one. It's like perfect for on the go too. Like, it definitely gets your hair nice and sleek, like I will say that. And like I said, lace tint, perfect. So make sure you guys shop with them, and yeah, let's go ahead and get right back into the video. I will be reinstalling one of my wigs. I haven't worn a wig in a minute because I had a different hairstyle, so I'm so excited to be working with Ebin and to be installing a wig. So first things first, let's get this lace tinted. No more of using foundation. So whenever I do use their lace tint, I like to shake it up, as you can hear. And we will not be doing the ball cap method. We're not going to do that today. This is going to be a quick and easy install, but I'm just going to spray the inside. It's almost like using spray paint. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, it's tinted. Don't mind the front so how it's looking. And what I like to do, this is my tip, I like to take hairspray. I'm gonna use the Ebin lace tint spray, or the Ebin bonder, and I'm just gonna spray it on the lace to seal that in. I just love doing that little quick layer. So once it's dry, I'll be back to install the wig. Okay guys, so now that the wig is finally dry, we're gonna go ahead and just put it on how we would like it. So this wig is already in the side part, and y'all, oh my gosh, there we go. You guys, let me show you my secret, which is going to be my Ebin edge stick. This is going to be the Hair Sleek Edge Tamer. Now, they did not send me this. I already had this because, like I said, I've already been a fan of Ebin, and I really love their products. And I love how small that bar is. And I'm just going to hot comb everything back before I spray it down.
You too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Okay, can we already say it's looking pretty good? Like, it's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna pull it down just a little. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. We're gonna use our Ebin again. We're gonna use the sensitive one. Pull the lid off. So we're gonna use the sensitive lace bond, and we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna spray this on the perimeter of the hair. All right, time for the moment of truth. I'm just gonna comb these baby hairs. Well, the front section, I should say. And the section that I'm using for my baby hairs. All right, so I have this out already. I'm gonna take my flat iron. My edge brush to just swoop these baby hairs. Back in. So just give me a second to work with it.
Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, cut through, shot tree with the Draco, on and off got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato.
All right, y'all. Ooh. All right, time to beat my face and show you guys the finished product. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is finally done. Yes, and I absolutely love it, you guys. I love the Wonder Spray, you guys. It has no buildup. I have no residue. I'm stuck, okay? It's stuck, okay, period. And I just love it. And y'all, it also held these curls really well. Quick little side note, it held these curls very well. And you guys, this stuff dried in no time. Like, I like to let my stuff sit a little bit longer, but it dried super duper quick. And oh my gosh, I literally love this product. I've been wanting to try the lace spray for so freaking long. Like, I'm so grateful that I was able to try this. And you guys, I use the extra firm hold and in the sensitive, you guys, because sometimes I do get like little breakouts. And y'all, this stuff feels good. Okay, it feels good. There's no itch either, period. Okay, if you guys loved this video, make sure you give me a like. If you guys would like to buy any of these products, I would definitely leave the link down below in my description bar and use my link so you guys can save a little bit of cha-ching. So yeah, oh my gosh, I love this. Like, what? What? Yeah, get into it real quick. Yeah, period. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.
All I from movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my eyelid. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. Wanna get my got fans and they love me. Wanna get my got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wouldn't wanna see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape.